Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active and both use the same network. Open OnePlus Connect on your phone and the PC companion. Sign in with the same OnePlus account so the devices can discover each other. Once done, grant required permissions, screen, microphone, storage, because the app needs them to mirror and transfer files. Now tap the phone's device list and choose the PC name to begin pairing. Accept the connection prompt on the computer to establish a secure link. Once paired, configure the features you need. Select screen mirroring for display, file transfer for documents, or remote control to operate your phone from the PC. You should adjust quality settings, lower resolution or frame rate to improve stability on congested networks, and confirm persistent permission prompts so access isn't interrupted. Use the drag and drop area for quick file moves, and when you need precision, switch to remote input to type or use the mouse. This streamlines workflows like presentations. To finish, properly end the session by disconnecting from OnePlus Connect so background access stops and battery drain is minimized. If mirroring lags or stutters, restart the apps or your router and try switching between 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands to reduce interference. If the devices won't reconnect, clear the app cache, unpair and repair, and verify you're signed into the same account. That single troubleshooting step, repairing after a cache clear, resolves most persistent connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.